42nd problem from the primer. A hexagonal lamina of size 25 mm rests on one of its corner on HP. The lamina makes 45 degree to HP and the diagonal passing through the corner on which it rests appears to be inclined 30 degree to VP. Draw its projection. Appears to be inclined 30 degree to HP, VP. It is the third position. A lamina having size 25 mm on one of its corner. It is resting on corner on HP. It is very clear. Resting on HP on one of its corner. The lamina makes 45 degree to HP. It is the second position, very easiest. And here the diagonal is inclined, very important. The diagonal passing through. This diagonal is inclined, appears to be. If there is no appears, then you will get locus line. If there is no appears word in the problem, then you will get locus line. Here appears to be is there, then you will not get any locus line. Directly the diagonal is inclined 30 degree to the VP. Now we will draw hexagonal lamina resting on one of its corner. First we will construct that. 25 mm is there, so we'll take here 25 . Side. Now we have taken 25 on one side. From that angle we have to take 90 degree and 120 degree. For the construction of hexagon we have to take 90 degree and 120 degree. So we will take 90 degree and 120 degree from one point. Another side also we should take 90 degree and 120 degree. So 90 degree, 120 degree. So both I have taken. Now 120 degree line will be extended till required. Another side 120 degree till required you have to extend. Then 90 degree line you can extend. So once again we will take 90 degree from this point. Then take 25 millimeter from your divider. So we'll take 25 mm side from the divider. Cut on either side. Then from this point cut this 90 degree lines. So we got a hexagonal lamina. So A, B, C, D, E, F. What I have taken 120 degree, and this is 90 degree. On either side you have to take, and it is very easy to construct. So now we will join all the lines. D to E, then B to A, then you have to join A to F, So all are joined. Now draw the projections from all the points till it intersect xy line. From D point and dark these lamina. Right, now when you are weaving from this side, A dash, B dash is visible, F dash is not visible, C dash is visible, E dash is not visible, and D dash. Now this is how you have to construct when it is resting on one of its corner. Corner should be left side of the xy line. It is resting on one of its corner. It is given corner should be left side. Now the lamina is inclined at an angle of 45 degree. This is called as lamina. This lamina is inclined at an angle of 45 degrees. So we'll take a point and then we'll draw 45 degree line. Now we'll join these 2 points. With thin line you have to join, and this point is called as A point, that is A dash point, and it is inclined at an angle of 45 degree. It is given in the problem, 45 degree to HP. Now it has been drawn. When HP is given, you have to draw in VP. Now by the divider we'll cut the distances. Total distance we have to take. So this distance you have to take. By taking this distance, by keeping at A point, cut this length. So there you will get D dash point. Another distance will take from A dash to C dash. By keeping at A point, cut this by A dash C dash, and another distance by keeping at D point you can cut here. So that distance is also same. Here you will get B dash, F dash, then here it is C dash, E dash. Now join all those points with dark line, that is called as lamina. Now we'll draw the projector from either side, horizontal and vertical, to intersect for the top V. Now from A point till it intersect A, B and F. And then from C and E, till D. Now we'll draw projector from vertical lines, horizontal lines. From F and E, then A and D, then from B and C, so we got all the points by the intersection, and we'll give the arrow mark for all. intersection of D, D, intersection of A point, this is B and C, this is E and F. Now we'll join all the points. Now this is the top view when it is inclined at an angle of 45 degree. Now we'll draw the third position. So third position is given that this diagonal AD, this is the diagonal AD, it is appears to be inclined at an angle of 30 degree. Appears to be means directly AD is inclined 30 degree. If there is no appears word, then you will get locus line. How to draw locus line? By taking AD as a 30 degree line, and then you have to cut that locus line by this inclination distance. Now there is appears word is there, because of that directly this AD second position is inclined at an angle of 30 degree. So we'll take 30 degree line, just marking that. We'll take 30 degree line from that point. So we'll take from somewhere away from that, because it will be overlapping. So we'll take from this point. To avoid the overlap, I am taking away from the other two positions. .30 degree. We'll join these 2 points. Thin line, call it as 30 degree. Now, so we'll mark D point. We'll mark D point, and we'll take the distance of A. And we'll curve that 30 degree line, and we'll get A point here. 2 points we got. Now we'll take other points. Take the distance D to E. To take D to E, C to D same, B to A same. So from either side we'll draw the arcs. Now, after drawing the arc, take the distance away from the, that is opposite corners, C to F. Only we know A and D, because of that we take D to F. So D to F I am taking, that is D distance to F distance, or you can take B distance to D, or you can take C distance to A. So all the distances are same. So by keeping at A point, draw these arcs. By keeping D point, draw these arcs. So you will get now we'll join all the points. This is B point. This is F point. This is E point. So join these two. So this is C point, and from C point join this. So we got the same, but DA is inclined at an angle of 30 degree. Now we'll draw the projector from all the points. So horizontal projector I am doing, then we'll go for vertical projectors. So we'll draw the vertical projector now. From all the points we have to draw. Now from F point we'll draw. Till it intersect F point, and then we'll go for A point. Till it intersect A point, it is on XY line only. Then we move for E point. So from E point till it intersect E, then B point. Then D point, then C point, now I got all the points. So this is D dash point, C is intersecting here, C dash point, D is intersecting, C is intersecting, then B is intersecting at this point, B dash, A is intersecting here, A dash, F is intersecting here, F dash, now E is intersecting E dash. Now we got all the points. Let's join all the points one by one. So D to C, and then C to B, B to A, and then A to F, and then F to E, and then E to D. So this is the third position when an diagonal is inclined at an angle of 30 degree with VP. VP, it will be down in HP.